thumbs up. Great. Fine. So people who have not switched on their videos, again I request please switch on the videos because we are starting the session. Okay, great. Okay, Kathy, over to you. I'm just muting everybody.
Sure.
And Kathy, you can start, please.
Thanks, Namit. Thank you so much. So this is a big hello to all of you.
Kathy, just a second, Kathy. I think some people have not yet muted. I'm muting everybody and then I'll unmute you, Kathy.
Namit, I think it's fine. We'll manage. Even if they speak in between, we can manage because I'm live on the other platforms.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think I should start because you guys have sent me amazing questions and it's Sunday afternoon. So I think all of you would love an afternoon siesta. It's 3 p.m. in India, but I think since all of you will be playing on your phones or for that matter, all of you back there in Jakarta should hopefully gain something from this session. My name is Khyati Rupani and as Namit introduced you, all of you, I am a nutritionist by profession and we run an online company called balancenutrition.in. So that's how Pooja also I think happened to know us and yes, we have Indians who are our clients all over the world. So it is I think a pleasure since last 7 years before a stint I did in Leelavati where I was the chief dietitian there. I would love this to be a session which is very interactive. Let it be a question answer session also since all of you are muted. The way we do it on social media is getting lot of comments also. So if you all are okay with a chat function, I think we should be good with that as well. ठीक है ना? So I think we can start with the first question that all of you have put in. The topics here are ranging from weight loss to acidic stuff to exercising to detox the body, how to ensure that there is better digestion. So it's a very vast topic and I'm sure all of us will have lots of fun. If there is any, as I said, question that is just ringing in your head, make sure that you all are just putting it in the comments and I'll be very, very happy to share it with, share the answer with all of you. The first question is a very interesting question and I think I should start with that. It is, how do I determine how much food to eat? यार ये question तो बहुत ही मुश्किल question है. As far as we all are concerned, okay, what we should do is first of all we should take a nice ideal body weight or a BMI test. ठीक है? There is a health score link that I will send Pooja or I will put it up in the comments. Take that health score. उससे पहले तो पता करते हैं how much kg overweight you are. ठीक है ना? After that, okay, let's look at what you want to do in terms of that weight. If you have normal weight and if you're just 1 or 2 kgs overweight, then there is a set of calories that you need to eat. What I would say is rather than getting into this whole mess of calories and proteins and carbs and I ate 1 roti extra, I ate 1 roti less today, what I say is that guys, let's just get into a habit of first listening to the body. Okay, the first thing I tell everyone is when you're hungry, when you feel you're hungry, have a glass of water. Most of the times we are thirsty and that thirst is something that we forget. बार हमारी body ने हमको बोला है, like time and again it has come in and it has told us that guys, you're thirsty, but what happens is because we did not listen to it, it has become subdued. So the brain sends a signal to you, thirsty. You don't, you ignore it, and then after that what happens is it rings a bell and it rings such a big bell कि आप लोगों को लगता है oh my god, now I'm hungry. ठीक है ना? So what I would say is first and foremost get into one zone and that zone is जब भी भूख लगे try having a glass of water. ठीक है? And there is another saying also that whenever you are hungry, okay, try and have 1 apple. Okay, when you have 1 apple, that is when, and if you can eat the whole apple, that is when we say you're really hungry. ठीक है? So step 1 is learn to identify thirst, learn to identify hunger. Step number 2, okay, when you are sitting on the sofa watching TV and when you are that time in a mood to eat something, okay, and that is after dinner, now that is extra, okay. So just time and again I keep giving these simple tips. Make sure that you are realizing you are eating extra, ठीक है. So जब आप extra खाओ तब आप एक बार सोच लो. Now comes point number 2. Whenever you are eating something which is बहुत टेस्टी है यार, एक बाइट एक्स्ट्रा लेता हूँ. नाउ दैट एक बाइट एक्स्ट्रा इज कॉजिंग योर स्टमक टू एक्सपैंड. हु सेज वी कांट ओवर ईट? वी ऑल कैन ओवर ईट, राइट? सो आइडेंटिफाई व्हेन यू आर ओवर ईटिंग. दैट ऑल्सो मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ सेंस. So how much food should you eat depends on A, your hunger, B, do not go on any diet plan that has a time, 9 baje, 1 baje, 2 baje. See, my Monday is very different from my Sunday, okay? My weekends are very different. I get up a little late. Most of us do that. So whenever our weekends are a little longer, okay, when we sleep in, तब आप breakfast कैसे करोगे 8 बजे? What if you are a guy who has to go to work at 7? What if you're working in shifts? What if you're an air hostess? What if you have a very varied schedule? So first of all, identify the fact that yes, you are overeating. So overeating के लिए सिर्फ एक ही rule है, and that rule is the 2 bite rule. Whenever you feel that you want that dessert, or whenever you feel you are munching, you just make sure that you eat 2 of it, 1 and 2. Okay, that is how we should be going ahead. There is one question which is again a very interesting question. I want to reduce my inches. How should I do it? Now this is again something that I would like to explain to all of you. Now there is a set of 5 people, let's say 5 women. Let's make them all 65 kgs. Let's make them stand in a line. One is 4 feet 11. She looks really fat. One is 5 feet 7. She's a North Indian, and वहाँ पे she's nice and tall and her bone structure is heavy. She's looking slim. One is a European who is again built which is very strong. And that time also हमको यही लगता है, right? So a 65 kg woman can look very different, right from thin to extremely fat. अब ये क्यों होता है? So it is not just weight that one has to think of. It is also bones. It is also inches. It is also fat. It is also weighing scale. It is every single thing that is inside our body. Whenever you are talking about weight, understand that the weight is muscle weight, fat weight, bone weight and water weight. Okay, so this inch loss that you want is majorly fat loss. 1 kg fat is like 1 kg cotton. अगर मैं यहाँ 1 kilo cotton रख दूँ, for which we used to make our pillows earlier, I won't be able to see all. It is going to be itna sara, and what if I put 1 kg muscle over here? It will be probably like this box, just this much. This is 1 kg. Yeah, everyone can see it. It's 1 kg. So imagine the volume it is occupying. So when you want inch loss, okay, it means that you want fat loss. Now how do you go on a fat loss diet? A fat loss diet has to be deficit in calories. Kya? No. It has to be deficit in calories coming from sugar, coming from fat and coming from refined food. ठीक है ना? मैंगो में बहुत कैलोरी है नहीं, लेकिन मैंगो नेचुरल है, मैंगो हेल्दी है, मैंगो में बीटा कैरोटीन है, मैंगो में बहुत अच्छी चीजें हैं. मैंगो ऑन इट्स ओन इज फैंटास्टिक, बट व्हाट अबाउट मैंगो मिल्क शेक जिसमें आपने भर के आइसक्रीम डाली, you put some whipped cream on top of it, that is unhealthy. So now those calories we have to avoid. Okay, if you are eating a multigrain roti, excellent. You want to put half chammach ghee, excellent. But if same night you are eating a double cheese pizza, तुमने saturated fat यहाँ भी खाया and यहाँ भी खाया. So if I can just get am I okay? Like everyone? Yeah, am I making sense, all of you? Yeah, cool. Am I making sense? Yeah, over here people can write in comments and tell me if I'm making sense. Great. Yes, everybody's saying that I'm making sense. Chalo, I'm happy. So this is what we need to first of all figure out. Okay, so here one part of it is weight loss, one part of it is inch loss, Do not ever get confused with that. You are having to lose inches, you are having to lose weight. जैसे ही आपका inch loss होगा, weight loss कम होगा. Suppose there was one client back then, 5 years back, you know, when Balanced Nutrition did not have this app and we did not have photo trackers. We used to talk to each other on mail. The first 200-300 clients were our email clients. तो हमको ऐसे, I mean, there's this girl from Kuwait, Fiona. Every time she used to lose 300-400 grams and write love letters to me. I used to be like, ये बंदी क्यों, मतलब why is she happy, you know, like she should be killing me for this. And then the calls were not so rampant, so I said no, I have to whatever. So we got on a call, and when we got on a call is when she said, Khyati, you have no idea, but I have dropped 4 dress sizes. Okay, so imagine dropping 4 dress sizes was what then? That was inch loss. So whenever you are losing inches, you have to understand that you're dealing with cotton. आधा किलो कॉटन अगर मैं निकाल दूं, you will shrink, right? You guys will shrink. That is a nicer weight loss. Okay, weight loss always has to be this way. Whenever you are losing muscle, whenever you are losing hair, whenever you are losing skin, वो weight loss कभी काम का नहीं है. Now there are lots of questions here in terms of cooking oil, but here also there is one question which is continuing with this, तो मैं ये खत्म करती हूँ, ठीक है? This one is saying that, so what can I eat? You know, inch loss के लिए, fat loss के लिए, what can I eat? यार, eat everything, okay? But just make sure you eat it smartly. On an everyday basis, eat something which is healthy. Don't try and fool yourself. हमको लगता है चाय में शक्कर कम करके we will lose weight, but then today I did a good job. हाँ, अभी रात को तो मैं blah blah, and then you end up eating one aloo paratha and life is done. You better have shakkar in that chai than to go ahead with that butter wala aloo paratha. See, I'm telling you normal mental psyche of all of us. ठीक है ना? हमको ऐसे लगता है कि wow, I am not having my sugar, so I'm a very good girl or a good guy. Okay, आज मैंने रोटी skip किया, oh my god, now, but then no, what happens is तुम लोग सुबह calorie deficit create कर देते हो. Have a nice meal in the morning. Every meal is okay. Your roti is fine. Now, what I always tell everyone is don't mix roti and rice together, because only one reason. They are carbs, and see, we are Indians finally, so we are a carb eating population, ठीक है ना? Even if it is Jakarta or even if it is Dubai, even if it is US, every client will want one time roti sabji or dal chawal or anything regionally available to them. I remember me doing Assamese के लिए एक Assamese diet which also had a lot of rice. So that is fine, okay? But what you have to understand is over here, how much, how often, and take a recall of it. बेस्ट वाला क्या है पता है? जब आप लोग मेरे से बात करते हो ना टू लूज वेट, शाम को व्हाट आई डू, आई जस्ट हैव 1 cup चाय एंड 2-3 बिस्किट्स. आई एम लाइक रियली वेरी नाइस. हफ्ते में कितनी? रोज खाई 3 बिस्किट, लवली. 8 3s are 24 बिस्किट्स. महीने में कितनी खाई? 90 बिस्किट्स. सो दैट इटसेल्फ इज 5 kgs. कूल, राइट? एंड देन व्हाट वी थिंक, पूरा दिन डाइट करके मेरा तो कुछ नहीं होता. So what you have to do is you have to understand very smartly, and that is what we do, and that is why our programs stretch out to 2 months, 3 months, because I feel everyone should know everything. Even in a restaurant, how to eat your pizza. See, सारी जिंदगी तो हम घर में नहीं रहने वाले, right? Even right now, घर में रह के भी कर क्या रहे? Shortcut ले रहे. You all are all making your toasts, and you all are using bread, and you all are using pulses and dals. Vegetable stack तो वैसे का वैसे ही पड़ा होता है, you know. Every time I go to the supermarket, I see that packaged food is over, ready to eat is over, ice creams are over, everything is over. So that is how you get into a diet chart, okay? I would definitely want the diet chart to be something very sensible, okay? Don't mix your cereal. Make sure that half your plate is made out of some sabji or a salad, and in fact both. Ek salad, ek sabji, roti. Now comes the protein. Don't mix dal and dahi together. हमको दोनों की क्या जरूरत है? One is fine, है ना? Diet chart for growing kids is what Vikas is asking. You know, Vikas, right from I'll tell you how we have a diet chart, okay? We have a diet chart for those kids whose weaning doesn't happen. मतलब वो 6 महीने तक breastfeed नहीं कर पाते. वहाँ पे, my God, what we have to do is we have to realize that we have to make a diet chart from 4 to 6 months. The next phase is 6 to 9. The next phase is 9 to 11. Then is 12 to 18. Then is 2 to 3. Okay. So as per, because until they are 18 years of age, they are growing at a speed where it is very difficult to give you a generalized chart. What I would say is, I get scared of only one thing kids are doing these days, and that is eating badly. Okay, and हम भी यही करते हैं ना. What are we trying to do? We are trying to just save our life and say जा भाई खा ले. Okay, so there also make sure that you're teaching your kid how to do frequency counting. How frequently is the child eating that biscuit? How frequently is bread coming in the diet? How frequently is how frequently is the child eating the protein? दिन में 2 fruit तो खा रहा है. So these things, छोटी छोटी, if you try and make a habit, okay, that is something I think we should make a list of. Now there is one more question that was on oil. मुझे यहाँ से किसी ने पूछा, हाँ यार सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन था, व्हाट शुड वी टेक इंस्टेड ऑफ, अगर चाय के साथ बिस्किट नहीं तो क्या ले, है ना. Ashwini is laughing also. Ashwini, सही बात है. Now see, I'm a गुज्जू. I love my खाखरा. ठीक है ना. तो मैं खाखरा लेती हूँ. There are certain clients who I have very very nicely put out them to eat kurmura. And on our website I have lot of these interesting kurmura recipes. We have a lot of makhana recipes. हमारी क्या habit है पता है? We need something sweet with our tea. That is something we should avoid. In fact, you make your tea sweet. Because that sweet biscuit or that sweet cookie is costing us a hell lot. I would rather say, okay, let's have a toast with chutney. That is a little better at least, because you are saving yourself from so much of dirty fat and so much of sugar that it makes sense. Okay, there was a very nice question which, I'll have to just shift my camera a bit here. The other question here is that best cooking oil kaun sa hai? And Nitin is asking if coconut oil is good. Acha, now I have a question for all of y'all. Anybody who's watched video on social media, don't answer, okay? But tell me, सबसे ज़्यादा cholesterol कौन से तेल में है, guys? Yeah, is it groundnut oil or is it olive oil or cashew में तो सबसे ज़्यादा ही है ना? Right, Priyanka? Yeah. Tell me guys, tell me where you think सबसे ज़्यादा सबसे ज़्यादा कोलेस्ट्रॉल किस में होगा. Nidhi is saying ghee. Not really. I'm talking about oils. Oil. सबसे ज़्यादा कोलेस्ट्रॉल किस में है?
Saturated fat.
Groundnut. Okay, she's saying groundnut. Which oil? Which oil has cholesterol सबसे ज़्यादा? और अदर आलमंड, कैश्यू, कोकोनट ऑयल में सबसे ज़्यादा है, ग्राउंडनट में है, ऑल ओके कूल. अच्छा, ऑलिव ऑयल इज गुड, नो आई थिंक. मस्टर्ड में कोलेस्ट्रॉल है, सनफ्लावर में कोलेस्ट्रॉल है. ओके वाओ. Yeah, even Jigna is saying sunflower. Guys, you know what? I will have to bring out my certificate which I passed out 15 years back. But no oil, okay? No oil has cholesterol. Yeah, don't look at me, पढ़ी लिखी हूँ. Anything. Now understand this concept. It's a very important. Yes, Sona, you're my client, so you know, yeah, no oils have cholesterol. Yes, Wilma is saying dalda. I will come. Dalda also has no cholesterol, आप लोग वो cholesterol free butter भी लेते हो ना, Nutrilite and all that, thinking it has no cholesterol. It will not have, no, because it is made from vegetarian sources. So now please understand, anything that comes from plants, plant-based, okay, has no cholesterol. Olive, no cholesterol. Sunflower, no cholesterol. Groundnut, no cholesterol. Cashew nut, no cholesterol. Peanut, no cholesterol. Whatever else, okay, no cholesterol. Cholesterol is a byproduct only of animals and humans. So anda, cholesterol. Dahi, cholesterol. Your rasgulla made out of milk which comes from an animal, cholesterol. Ghee, cholesterol. Cheese, cholesterol. Those all have cholesterol. Got me? But that doesn't mean we start frying our puris. Wait. Blood report देखी है ना हम सब ने? All of us, have we seen our blood profile? It has cholesterol, LDL, VLDL, HDL, all of that. Remember? You know, so your oils show the amount of LDL and triglycerides. So they are two different things, completely different things that we are talking about here. One is raising cholesterol. So a non-veg food, all non-vegetarian foods, eggs, chicken, meat, fish. Fish also will have cholesterol. Traces of it bhale, but it will have cholesterol. So you have to realize that yes, saturated fats come from animals only. आपका एक है coconut oil is come in the market as a yes, Deepa, I'll answer that. Coconut oil became a superhero, you know, okay, you have to eat coconut oil. Yes, see, coconut oil is a little different than all your other family of oils because of only. Achha, am I getting too technical or this is interesting? You want me to talk about something else or you think this is interesting? Interesting? Shall we continue talking about oils and cholesterol? Yeah? I can't see anything on chat. ठीक है, I'll change the topic. Interesting. Okay. Interesting, everyone? Yes, very interesting. Fine. Oh, good. So I think you all are not finding it too technical. Superb. And there Pooja was worrying कि मैं कर पाऊंगी and question नहीं आए तो क्या होगा. I have 20 more to answer still. Pooja, see, I told you I can't stop talking. So now let's talk about oils, and उसमें भी why coconut oil has become a superhero. Coconut oil has become a superhero because of only one thing. You know, coconut oil in winters becomes like ghee. It freezes. One of the very rare oils that freezes. It is because उसमें ना saturated fat. No, it is not known for that. Unsaturated fat जो ये बाकी oils में है, जिसमें आपका triglycerides and all ऊपर नीचे होता है, it doesn't even have that. It has something called as MCT. Now MCT means medium chain triglycerides. Just ignore all I'm saying. It has MCT, and MCT is shown to put less pressure on your liver. Okay, gall bladder, पता है कभी कभी सुना होगा, some relative had gall bladder issue, किसी का gall bladder निकालना पड़ा, उनके लिए MCT oil is a good idea. Otherwise there is nothing too great about it or nothing. So it's like, you know, आप लोग मुझे पूछते हो which oil is the best. It's like asking me which sabzi is the best. कोई एक सब्जी पूरा साल खा पाओगे? No, right? What is there in palak is not there in methi. What is there in methi is not there in lauki. Bangan, you have a variety of things, right? And that variety of things is only, you will get different nutrients. You will get calcium from palak, you will get coriander, say iron, vitamin C. There is kakdi which gives you a lot of minerals. So oil ka kya karna hai? Depending on the size of family you have. Suppose if in my house we get a 1 liter, it's a small family, just me, my daughter and my husband. So we have that 1 liter ka habit. Today I bought sunflower. जब ये खत्म होगा, I will change it and I'll bring safflower. Then I'll bring peanut. Then I'll say keep olive oil तो side में होता ही है because you want to use your, you want to make your pasta and all. Lockdown में तो chef हो गए हम लोग सब. So that is the situation and story of oil. Okay. Now there has been, I'm talking about cholesterol. Let me also, get into this talk of how do I explain this to you all. Has anyone seen that HDL report? हाँ, HDL, high density lipoprotein. अब वो डॉक्टर बोलता है कि the higher the better, isn't it? HDL is, किसी ने कराया होगा रिपोर्ट तो उसको पता होगा. It means it says the higher the better. Now HDL higher the better में एक ही, it is not dependent on diet. Yeah. HDL is only activity. तो अगर आप भर भर के डाइट कर रहे हो, like I have a question from Vanshika. She's asking me, is living on a whole fruit diet, can we lose weight with it? Are you going to be able to do it all your life? So any diet you do, make sure you are doing it. If you want to do a fruit diet and all, it has to be under a qualified nutritionist, and it has to be only when it is prescribed, and it is not a prescription one should give daily or one should give. It is done as a plateau breaker and very क्या कहते हैं, it's supposed to be used very rarely. Okay, it is supposed to be used after you've lost 10 kgs, And hey Recha, you send me a video request, want to be on the video, send me a message, I'll get you in. So this is how it is, you know. So which oil to use? Shanila, as I said, change your oil. Okay, this time you got sunflower, then get safflower. Okay. So saw the news, India में doctors are recommending groundnut oil. पैसा दिया होगा marketing के लिए. Yeah, like, you know, we get it. See, in India, your nutrition labeling and your product description, these two are taken very very lightly. Okay? So I also get hundreds of brand endorsements for which they can pay you lakhs and lakhs, but it's just a personal choice that no, even in a diet chart we will never recommend any brand. In fact, brand, I think Pooja ने किया होगा, brand पूछ के थक गई, but उसे मिला नहीं हमसे. We were like, no, we are not. Anything you buy in this category is good. So नहीं, it's rubbish. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ठीक है ना? And then, is it advisable to change oil frequently? Yes, Nitin, it is very advisable. Ashwini is asking me why Desi ghee is being promoted. One dietitian got it as a marketing gimmick tool. तो अब कर दिया उसने. घी में कोई सुपर पावर नहीं है. Ghee also has saturated fat. Cheese also has saturated fat. Butter also has. In fact, मेरा कहना ये है कि NRIs only are listening, no, to me. And so we are Desi till, in fact, even my Indians, we all are Desi, you know, till lunch. Evening snack also sometimes, you know, where we tend to eat our sev puri and vada pav. But in the night, we all get global. ठीक है ना? कभी हमको पास्ता खाना है, कभी हमको पिज्ज़ा खाना है, कभी हमको आजकल तो, you know, people are eating a lot of Lebanese food, a lot of Arabic food, Indonesian food also. I think my restaurant guide has Indonesian and Malaysian and Singaporean options. So today we are become a global eater. ठीक है? So अब आप दोपहर को घी खा रहे हो, रात को चीज़ नहीं खा सकते. Period. There is an amount of saturated fat that should go. किसी ने मुझे पूछा 1 egg yolk. If you eat that egg yolk, do not touch any saturated fat for the rest of the day. Then you're fine. Yeah? Am I making sense, guys? Are you all understanding? That much saturated fat, see, all of us, none of us are into labor, okay? We are not building buildings, we are not carrying heavy bricks, we are not doing anything strenuous. So for us, saturated fat, 2 drops also in a day is fine. And if we are overweight, we should be cutting it out completely. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा because body में बहुत है, right? How much, what, etc. I would say never look at Google, never believe, you know, hey Smriti, hi, yeah, na, waiting for this topic. Good, see, now you joined. So you must believe in one thing, guys. कभी भी Google पे पढ़ के कुछ मत करो. कभी भी ये मत just because some neighbor is doing some diet from some dietitian in Delhi, in Mumbai. No. You consult that person, and before consulting, see the degree. You have to see the qualification. You have to see where the, you know, dietitian has worked, what she's done, and then go in for a diet chart, because online diets, there are many who are just trying to fool you. Okay, in Balanced Nutrition, first assessment is taken. Again, that's like we have a tech team, 8-9 people. You all send the assessment, it is captured in the app. Then there is a 2-hour study that is done by my teammate. After that, she's making a diet chart. It is coming in the CRM for my approval. आप लोग सुबह wait देते हो. The diet chart comes at 7 PM because it is going through so many things. I have somebody who's vegan, I have somebody who's Gujarati, I have somebody who's Marwadi, I have somebody who has cholesterol. So do not Google up things, ठीक है ना? Okay. And Ashwini is again asking, better to use refined or kachi ghani? Both have the same calories. It is like, you know, asking me a question whether sugar is good or brown sugar is good or jaggery is good. सबको लगता है ना jaggery and honey is excellent. Well, let me tell you, 1 teaspoon sugar, 20 calories, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, 20 calories. Similar amount of, which is about 6 grams. Similar amount of jaggery, 20 calories. Similar amount of honey, 20 calories. Okay, so it has the same calories. Baba is promoting कच्ची घानी. अभी आप उसको follow करते हो, मैं कुछ नहीं बोल सकती. I don't want to create a branding problem here, but no, it's like somebody is promoting brown sugar and telling you khao. Somebody is promoting diet snacks and telling you khao. Somebody is writing fat free. लेकिन fat free is calorie free क्या? No, guys, wake up. fat free is not calorie free. I know I'm jumping topics, but I feel bad when कुछ है ही नहीं यार. Nobody is understanding. So guys, see, कोई fat free label लिख के आता है, उसका मतलब वो fat में free है, calories तो है, उसमें उसने preservatives डाले हुए है. You're understanding, guys? Okay, so if you all are having low fat cheese, doesn't mean it is low in calories and does not mean at all that it is low in preservatives. Baked snacks, the reason they are still crisp is only because there is a lot of fat. हम लोग पूरी का आटा या पराठा का आटा बनाते हैं, in that आटा don't we add more fat? है ना? हम घी डाल के या तेल डाल के कड़क आटा बनाते हैं. Right? You've already added all the fat therein and then you're baking that snack. भाई अपने आप वो normal snack खा लो. Isn't that better? Right? Understood? So again, please guys, I have a question here saying that everybody says good is okay for the ones who don't have diabetes. क्यों भाई? गुड़ बनता किस में है? Okay, गुड़ traditionally is made in big pans. Okay, pans which are the size of a human being and they are iron. Okay, so what happens is जब वो sugar cane को वो लोग बनाते हैं and when it is becoming syrupy and when it is going through that whole process of good, a lot of iron from the vessel is going in that. Like poha, पता है rice, poha. So when the rice is going to be made into poha, it is flattened. Those machines are iron machines and that is why there is iron stuck. अभी वो iron तुम गुड़ खाओगे कितना? Okay, इतना सा, right? उसमें iron आएगा कितना? And iron is again heme iron, animal source से जो iron absorb होता है वो better होता है. And here it is something where no, so don't get into or don't get fooled by all these tiny things. Suppose if somebody is saying a sugar-free sweet. Now sugar-free sweets are made using dates, anjeer, apricots and all those things. Now you think dates are low in calories, dates are healthy, but are they low in calories? Do you think a diabetic should eat them without thinking? Dates have a high amount of sugar, anjeer has a high amount of sugar, and then what they do is they add kaju, pista, badam. It is as good as having your normal thing. So don't get fooled by gimmicks. Now you all are all into Nutralite, and you know what, the mothers bring that Nutralite from with so much pyar, and they spend extra money, and you all are all spending money and you all are bringing that Nutralite in your house. But you know what is Nutralite? I think all of you are Indians and all of you know there was a dalda ghee. Sabko pata hai dalda? Are you aware that there is dalda? There was when we were growing up, and my grandmother used to say, kill yourself but don't have dalda. Okay, that is because dalda is nothing but it is very cheap oil, okay, which was hydrogenated. It's a process in a factory. Hydrogenation means releasing hydrogen ions into that oil to make it look like ghee. What is your Nutralite doing? Same thing. Cakes के लिए जो margarine use करते हो, same thing. है ना? Craving for sweets. Whenever you're craving, you must eat how much ever. Follow my 2-bite rule if you're looking at weight, sugar or anything and be done with it. But रोज 2 bite खाया तो महीने में 60 bites हो गया. Please remember the frequency also. So 2-bite rule, make it as less as possible and go ahead. ठीक है ना? Tell me, come on. Anyone who's eaten a big slice of cake, has he ever felt good? The first 2 bites taste like wow, they take you in bliss and then you come back. Right? So bus, I think dhire we'll all fall into that habit. Is air fryer good for health? Nidhi, I would say okay, yeah, but is that khana is food which requires air fryer being made in your house very often? Then you should be taking a look at what is your menu. Okay, that means too much aloo, that means samosa, which anyway are a little higher on calories. So if you're using it once a week, I think we're good. Hai na? There's one question which says HDL is 55, triglycerides are low but LDL is not low and making the total cholesterol high. Could you please explain? This is a mess up in the blood report. I think my email ID was shared by Pooja and Namit. Please email me that report. Let me see. This is a little I cannot give it a general advice. Then we have how far vitamin C pill helps in increasing immunity? ये वो कोविड का है ना क्वेश्चन, एवरीबडी वॉज ईटिंग टू मच वाइटामिन सी. सी लिसन, यू नो फूड इज लाइक अस ह्यूमन बींग्स, ठीक है ना. आई कैन नेवर से दैट एक ह्यूमन बींग बुरा है या अच्छा है. वी आर ऑलवेज ग्रे डिपेंडिंग ऑन द सिचुएशन. हम कभी बहुत बुरे बन जाते हैं. डिपेंडिंग ऑन द सिचुएशन which troubles our heart, we become really nice. Food is just like that. If your body needs it, okay, if your body is deficient in iron, तुम गंदे में गंदा iron का source खाओगे, your body will absorb it. Same is with the food. So there is no such thing as vitamin C. Even if you know your body needs that vitamin C, it will absorb it from any food, okay. But yes, clinical amounts of vitamin C have shown to increase immunity, and yes, this becomes medical. Okay, we as dietitians in India are not allowed to prescribe even over-the-counter vitamins. Our job is to give you everything from the diet, and which we did for a lot of our clients. Okay, then we have how to reduce salt and sugar cravings. Interesting. Can I answer this question? It's really an interesting question. You know what happens in our body? Why this craving and why this imbalance of ज़्यादा हो गया क्या guys? Is it time to end this, Namit? I can go on and on. I think no. Namit, it's a 1 hour thing.
Please carry on, Kathy.
Okay. Is anybody sleeping? Gone to sleep?
There is a question on sleep also that will come later.
Yes. Okay. So यहाँ हमने एक क्वेश्चन था salt and sugar. Okay, now understand what salt and sugar is. Salt and sugar came into human diet thousands of years after human beings came on earth. हमारे लिए वो था ही नहीं. All right. So some gracious person invented it. ठीक है. And then as usual human beings tend to go for something they like a lot more. We started using it, you know. In fact, as I say that बच्चों को 1 साल तक don't give salt or sugar. Make him eat food without salt and sugar and it will happen. You know, at least that 1 year उनको हम addictives ना करें. Now, when it comes to salt and sugar, you are overweight, okay? And we are in our late 30s, early 40s. A typical Indian, I'm saying. Now, this typical Indian has got mild hypertension, or even if not hypertension, he's a little stressed. He is now already into a habit of eating. वो खा रहा है. अब ये sweet रोज खाने की आदत, I even tell my husband, you know, if you see him, he's like a 4-pack ab, and though he's a business guy, but he's fit from the beginning, but ये खाता है. And the day he doesn't get it, it is becoming कि नहीं आज तूने कुछ रखा क्यों नहीं है मीठे में, right? And whereas it's somebody like me I was 99 kgs myself, okay. I had a lot of health issues. I didn't realize I was working 18 hours a normal day in Leelavati, and of course then from 90 to 55 is another journey which I will tell you all about. But in this, what happens is when you are gaining fat, when you are gaining a lot of you know, बस बढ़ गई है, you know, your tummy is coming out, and that is the time when you eat a sugar. Now that sugar wants to remain in the body. By nature, your body wants to throw everything out, through urine or through defecation. This sugar doesn't want to leave. अब हम अचार बनाते हैं, पता है? We add a lot of salt and we add a lot of sugar to preserve it and to make sure that it remains nice and soft. Okay, रसगुल्ला भी शुगर सिरप में ही सॉफ्ट रहता है. गुलाब जामुन शुगर सिरप में ही वो सॉफ्ट रहता है, राइट? वी हैव टू हैव दैट लेयर ऑफ सॉल्ट और शुगर, एंड दिस इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन योर बॉडी. यू एट शुगर, नाउ योर बॉडी वांट्स शुगर. Excess water is there which is supposed to go out, but sugar is holding the water, salt is holding the water. Water retention. Now there is a battle going on between your brain and your kidneys. Kidney is saying let me throw, this is extra water. Brain is saying nahi, मैं नहीं कर सकता, I can't. That is when your fat also comes in the picture, because fat is also like cotton. हम लोग गर्मी में cotton क्यों पहनते हैं? Absorbs water. Now your fat is absorbing water and keeping. To absorb water you need salt or sugar, and your kidney is telling something else. That is where the whole hormonal system also comes into the picture, and we say मेरा thyroid थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, मेरा uric acid थोड़ा, this is the start point. And everything finally comes down to food you eat. We underestimate that, piece of cookie we eat every night. We underestimate the fact that, हम अगर ये रोज़ खाएंगे तो ये होगा, right? But every single thing starts from what you're eating and where you are, okay, in terms of your food. So salt and sugar cravings, this is the major cause. You must go deep down. How to now reduce these salt and sugar craving? Simple. First of all, find a replacement, okay? If you are a chocolate addict, chocolate is high in fat, high in sugar, high in milk solids, high in cocoa. Same with your biscuits, same with ice cream. Go for a natural source. Settle down for a date. Settle down for a homemade laddu first. Settle down for such things and then slowly ऐसा change आना चाहिए diet में that तुमको mango भी sweet लगने लगे. Mango is known for its sweetness. Apples, bananas, then your sweetness should come from all those places. It doesn't happen overnight. कल के कल अगर हम change करेंगे तो nothing happens, right? So it is a gradual process where we'll have to take a look at it. I have a diet chart for growing kids. Growing kids is something that is personalized. Write to me. I think I should send it across. How come you dietitian reached to 99 kgs? Nahi Anjana, I didn't take care of myself. Yeah, I was very busy doing a lot of feeds for ICU cases, and I loved having my liver. Even today we have cancer cases, we have liver cases, we have all of these. Ritika is asking which oil should we use. Ritika, video खत्म होगा उसके बाद देख ले एक बार. Any other question I think I missed, guys, or I think I've pretty much covered everything. There is a question on gout also. Let me address it later, but let me see if my Jatarka people have asked me anything else. Yeah, they have. In terms of cholesterol, margarine and butter are same. Margarine has little higher cholesterol. Can we eat raw salads in evening and night? This question is keeping in principle Ayurveda. Okay, as far as I am concerned, my degree is modern nutrition science. So for us, giving papaya to a pregnant woman also does not have any we don't consider that as bad. But yes, of course, when a pregnant woman is with us, there is a lot that comes in. Mummy ne ye bola hai, saas ne ye bola hai. So we do take care of all that and plan a diet chart. So yes, I eat my salads at night. I'm fine. Are palak and paneer compatible if eaten together? Not really. No. Okay, palak has oxalates, okay, and paneer has calcium. So palak stops the paneer का calcium from coming into your body. अरे but अच्छी लगती है तो खा लो कभी कभी, it's fine. It's better than eating. As I say, I hate things coming out of packet. What foods are incompatible from each other? There is a big list, but incompatible की जगह compatible वाले बताऊँ. पोहा जो खाते हो ना सुबह सुबह, make sure you sprinkle a lot of lime in your poha because iron will get absorbed very very nicely. You know why you sprinkle coriander? It's a nice tip I should give. पता है कोथमीर क्यों डालते हैं? खुशबू के लिए, कलर के लिए? नहीं. कोथमीर, why you think तुम लोग कोथमीर की सब्जी नहीं बनाते कभी? Why are we not frying kothmeer and cooking kothmeer except for that kothmeer vadi which we have as a Maharashtrian dish? It is not done because kothmeer has a lot of vitamin C. That is why we sprinkle it on food because जब हम खाना बना के पका के हो जाता है, the cooked food has very less vitamin C. So to bring out the vitamin C of any dish, a lot of coriander is added, and what you should do is add a little lime also because coriander is rich in iron. So the iron needs vitamin C for absorption. See, such simple tips. हम iron की tablet लेने लगते हैं, हम vitamin C की tablet लेने लगते हैं. Basic, typical. I love the fact that some of you are noting this down. Basic, simple habits, okay, which have been passed on to us from generation. ये दूसरा नया vegan. दाल चावल is vegan यार. Don't put ghee. You know, दाल चावल, it's vegan. इडली सांबार चटनी vegan. And हम tofu खाने बैठ जाते हैं. So you know, sometimes life is very simple. Okay, Gujarati, half of our dishes are vegan. Understand? They are talking about uric acid. I think I will address uric acid. Let me just finish. Yes, iron absorption is hindered by calcium, and we have curd with every meal. But in this case, I'll tell you something. If your body really needs that iron, वो कैसे भी करके वो iron absorb कर लेगा. So rather than worrying about all this, I would worry about only a tire of fat if I have any. I would worry about eating the rest of the day very nicely. Is there anything like alkaline water? Of course, new marketing gimmick. They are sold at 110 rupees. Water by nature is a little alkaline. Okay, falls in neutral backgrounds. So you want to have alkaline water, add little nimbu in your water and you're fine. And alkaline, किसी ने मुझे ना मेल पे भी पूछा था, infused water helps weight loss क्या, alkaline water helps weight loss क्या? No guys, you know what? If there was any magic food, okay, even those meal replacements, you know there is that M&M company, shakes बेचती है जो Herbalife, yeah. You know that company that gives you a lot of shakes and meal replacements. If that was a fact and if that weight loss was permanent, I would have been the first person to go and have that all my life. No, it's not possible. So let's have a very practical approach to eating our khana. Just make sure we are staying away from packets and making our kids stay away from packets as much as possible, and we are good. So basically, make alkaline. Yes, make alkaline water using lemon and we are fine. In fact, that's what even I am drinking, you know, a tea bag, and yeah, that is what it is. How would you guide to control weight in a cold country? Cold country में what you should only think of is, I'll tell you one thing, okay? 2 bananas. I'll tell you the requirement of food. 2 bananas, okay, are enough for you to walk in a cold region for at least 1.5 miles. 1 carrot in India, if you feed your child, okay, it is called as a very good mid-meal. If you feed him between lunch and dinner, which I readily feed my child, the child is not going to complain of dipped energy. The child is not going to complain to you of even vision or skin. So, okay, they are saying intermittent diet. Intermittent diet is scientific, but I'll tell you all one thing. Our Indians are, if you use the correct way of intermittent fasting, keeping in mind your weight, age, cholesterol and what you're eating scientifically, it is working fine, because you know traditionally what we were, when we were, I'm talking 3 generations, 3, 4 maybe, when we were working in the fields, हम क्या करते थे? There used to be no electricity, right? So at sunrise we used to eat 1 meal. Okay, sometimes the fields were too far away, so there used to be no lunch, or they would have carried, you know, something half the time. If you know there is rain, or if there's too much heat, or if they are lagging in work, they would not eat. They would come back and they would eat before the sun sets, otherwise khana dikhta nahi tha. Next day they used to eat again. So the intermittent fasting by nature is something that as Indians we were always into. हमारा कभी ब्रेकफास्ट लंच स्नैक डिनर था ही नहीं, राइट? या वी यूज्ड टू, इवन टुडे देयर आर मेनी हाउस होल्ड्स विच फॉलो, ऑफिस जाने से पहले खाना खा लेते हैं, फिर छोटा सा कुछ कैरी करते हैं, एंड देन दे कम बैक एंड देन दे ईट. लकी पीपल, राइट? बट वी आर, एंड देन देयर आर पीपल हु आर मेकिंग 10 meals. So Indians, yes, it is a very very nice fact. In fact, reform intermittent is what it is called in balanced nutrition, and yes, I feel that we have about 12,000 clients. About 4,500 are doing intermittent fasting, and it is doing very well. And that also various phases, okay? There is a 12-hour, 10-hour, 14-hour, 16-hour, depending on, again, a very personalized approach. Any other question? They have a question on uric acid. Does uric acid interest you all? Yeah, there are 2 questions on uric acid. Now, what is uric acid? Uric acid is nothing but we eat a diet which is sometimes rich in protein, sometimes, okay, and sometimes we eat a diet where every Indian on an average is not even having 25 grams protein, but due to some issue in the kidney, क्या होता है that your traces of, now uric acid is a breakdown of protein. I'm trying to put it a little simply in my head for you all to understand. Protein breakdown होता है, okay? Protein breaks down into amino acids, which are then taken up by the bloodstream. They make your muscle, they heal you, kids grow in the night. So that is all amino acid work. Now amino acids are further extra amino acid, okay, or something in the kidney that goes wrong gives you uric acid. Now that uric acid is something that settles down in your toe, something that settles down in you know these joints, okay, something that settles down on you know your toe has also 3 bones, right, carpals, metacarpals, phalanges, तो उसमें भी so वो वहाँ store होके calcify होने लगता है, which means it starts getting hardened. It's like a kidney stone, but it is going outside your kidney and going to the edges of your body, extremes of your body. That is why we tell them to take the pulse part of it little easy. So uric acid may, if I happen to do something, I would say go easy on the non-veg for a while, go easy on your dals and pulses. But you can't have a dal, can't have a diet free of protein. Okay, those which are high on uric acid, I will share a long list with you if you want. Okay, gout pain ke liye, Dipti, why don't you DM me? I will share this whole list with you which has high uric acid, medium uric acid and low uric acid foods. I think even if you follow that, it will help you a lot. Is whey protein useful? Oh, and there was one very nice question on is gym necessary to lose weight? Yeah, can I answer that? And okay, we have 8 minutes more to go. Yeah, you guys are still paying attention. कभी school में भी इतना attention pay नहीं किया था. Is it? I hope it is interesting. That's all I will want to say. So let me get into the question of protein powders, gym and diet. Okay. If you ask me, my journey from 99 kgs to 55 kgs was zero exercise. I am not saying I'm right. Okay, by nature, what happened was at a very early age, I had to go for a slip disc surgery. I was 19. Again, I was fat, my muscles were bad, my core was very bad. I was only studying and eating, a typical Guju who thought that world is only about studying. And I used to be reading, studying, sleeping, sitting, reading, studying. And I gained weight and then posture kharab tha, and I happened to get, at 19, I was admitted and I had to go for the back surgery. But having said that, I dealt with a bad back for a long time, so I thought that it is not, मैं exercise कर ही नहीं सकती, and then I really had to lose weight because otherwise I would have had conception problems. So what I did was I started planning a diet chart wherein I started taking some excuses for exercise. But then yes, now is the time. Now it is late 30s, so in late 30s your body is telling you, so now exercise has become a part of life. Now it is non-negotiable, करना ही पड़ रहा है. Let me now come to a very generalized approach. It is always 90% of what you're eating that matters. You want to go to the gym for 2 hours, you want to walk for 3 hours. अभी इंडोनेशिया में तो पता नहीं, but here in India we have a big maid issue ना. हाइला झाड़ू पोछा कौन करेगा? And that is when all our aches and pains are starting. Okay, that means that our muscles were not very used and we eat a poor diet. So 90% of your problem is solved when your diet is right. Now when a fat person is coming in, or when a person with diabetes, thyroid and all is coming in to us, already उस बंदे का we are making him do something which he hates. Imagine if I tell you, चलो कल से diet शुरू करो. Your first reaction will be, oh shit, no, I'm not doing it because it's it's irritating. सबको लगता है diet is restrictive, है ना? So what we will do is, I say that first you have to do is take a look at the restaurant guide. In the restaurant guide, you have to start figuring out how to eat the pizza when you go out. Take it easy. Then when the person is eased off, he is saying, okay, chalo, ek diet plan lo. And now this diet plan is also very, very simple and easy. That is how you get a person. Let that person sustain. Then सामने से the person asks, can I include exercise? I say, commit कर रहा है तो ही करो. If your life does not involve exercising, और अगर 3 महीना करके छोड़ने वाले हो, you will harm your body more than you can help. So if you want to exercise, what is better doesn't matter. Your life and you taking charge matters the most. If you feel that exercise commit नहीं कर सकता, it's fine. At least commit for a diet. Okay? And make a diet chart also. Please, अब यार ये Google मत कर लेना. 7-day detox, 3-day detox, 1-day detox. All that doesn't matter. The day you start eating normally, everything is going to come back. So go for a very sustainable diet chart. Go for something that is now. अभी sustainable diet chart दो, अभी कैसे दूँ? Somebody is an Agarwal, somebody is a Patni, somebody is a Shah, somebody is my Muslim clients just finished Ramzan, so they were on Ramzan diet plan. They eat chicken and mutton. Some people are Jains. अभी श्रावण शुरू हो जाएगा. इंडिया में generalized diet chart अमेरिका के जैसा नहीं दे सकते, right? So that is what my saying was. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट्स डिपेंड्स ऑन यू. एक्सरसाइज करना है तो करो, लेकिन ऐसा करो कि 3 बार वीक में कमिट करा तो देन यू गो अहेड एंड यू डू इट ऑल द टाइम. यू कैन नॉट देन टेल मी यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू इट. ओके, नाउ कम्स द अदर पार्ट, वे प्रोटीन. Now whenever I am talking about vitamin C, whenever I am talking about protein, whenever I am talking about vitamin E, these are all supplements. By definition, what is the meaning of a supplement? It means that इस बंदे की डाइट में हम ये नहीं दे सकते through food, which means a whey protein is okay if it is to an athlete, if it is to a Virat Kohli, okay, who is wasting so much muscle and I cannot give him 120 grams of protein per day through diet क्योंकि वो खा खा के फट जाएगा. So then उसके लिए whey protein ठीक है. Just because you all are, again, we want to make money, guys. So your trainer will try and sell you the whey. Okay, the whey protein companies, I mean, we have Google's top executive as our client who had come to India and said, I said, listen, I'm tired of Google and justifying Google to my clients. So he says, Kathy, Google means vomit. Vomit of a company who wants to sell a product. Vomit of somebody somewhere who's just written articles paid to show it on the top search, okay, search engine. So it is all something which is a big nexus. So whey protein also, why? You are an Indian, your diet has to be 55 grams complex carbohydrates, right? Sip on something, Khyati, thank you. Sometimes clients become our what do you say, reminders. है ना, whenever I am doing something which is not right, my client will tell me, you forgot. Okay, thanks Smriti. Gastric and acidity, easy way to get rid. I think we should look at what you're eating. Okay, it depends on what you're eating, it depends on sleep, it depends on certain stress that you're going through. But सबसे easy tip दूँ क्या gastric and acidity की, make sure you're having water after every hour. Every hour. You know, just do that, please. Instagram is ended. Okay. All right. Now comes diet plan for PCOS. Daughter, Aditi, can you please ping me this personally? Because no. What is the reason for a headache early morning? Many reasons. I think you should also, can you ping me personally? There are many reasons. Okay, how to increase hemoglobin? Iron-rich foods, okay, will increase your hemoglobin. But there is a fact about hemoglobin that we should all know. Being an Indian, okay, and being an Indian woman especially, your hemoglobin, if it is anything between 9 and 11, consider it as something which is not bad at all. Okay, we पता है iron deficiency anemia is a big thing in India. हम iron tablets देते ही रहते हैं even in the rural areas, right? So whey means charge. No. When you make paneer and the water that is remaining from the paneer, you know, paneer बनाते milk का paneer and then there's water. That water is whey, which is powdered and which is served to you all. How to lower hemoglobin? Why would you lower? Would be interesting to hear about your weight loss journey. Yes, I will show you pictures and I'll send Pooja video also. Okay. Just after a meal, is it okay to have fruits? Nice question. I think, yeah, this pertains to everyone. When we are having a fruit, okay, please make sure that you are having it as a meal on its own. Fruit in breakfast, cool. Okay, but breakfast में fruit के साथ अंडा, egg whites, okay, और fruit के साथ पोहा because they are small. Snack के साथ fruit खाओ, लेकिन lunch और dinner के साथ या बाद में avoid. because you're already eating a big meal. उसके बाद वो खाओगे ना. Why is a fruit necessary? A fruit is necessary because it is giving you vitamin, it is giving you biotin. और फिर तुम लोग आते हो बाल का complaint लेके, फिर तुम लोग आते हो I'm looking old. Fruit is a must because all you have to do is you have to ensure that you allow it absorption. तो खाली होता है ना जब पेट, in between meals, तब खाओ. So that is when it will give you a good skin and good hair. See, after losing 45 kgs also, all good, right? Yeah, and all clients of BN look good. I think, yeah. Namit, any problems? Anything I have left? Maybe we should do one more. I think yes. What is the best time to have fruits? Mid meals. Anyone here? Facebook, anyone? Any question? Whey protein I answered. Air fried snacks? Okay, yes. Yes and no. Like, fine. Okay. I think yes. We have pretty much covered it right in time. है ना? So I think it's time to say a bye to all of you.
Yeah, thanks, Kathy. Thanks a lot. That was really a quick.
It was express.
Q&A session.
Yes.
And I guess you answered all the questions, up to the mark and absolutely, greatly. And we thank you very, Kathy, and we hope. And I would also like to tell everybody about balancednutrition.in. It's a great tried and tested, program from Kathy. So we have shared with you the link. So try if you can see her Facebook and see her website, and she has great diets, Instagram. So please have a look, and then you can communicate with her directly. And thanks a lot, Kathy. Thanks for your time.
Thank you. Bye, everyone. See you.
Thank you. Thanks, Kathy.
Bye. I've written down my Facebook. I've written down my email ID. Mail me. I will be always happy to write back to you all.
And we also, thanks to everybody. We'll request you all to keep maintaining social distancing and
Yes, so the family from Jakarta has gone, but I have a lot of questions here from Sushma, from Dimple, and from Rita and Harsha. So I think I'll answer these 4 questions before I go away. Harsha is saying, can you talk about water retention? Harsha, water retention happens with those who have a high body fat content. So if you have a body fat, which is very, very high, the whole nature of fat is that it absorbs a lot of water, and because your fat, it wants fat, pata hai, soft hota hai. So all you have to do is lose water and your water retention will be sorted. You must also realize one very important thing here, and that is the fact that your salt and sugar. Make sure that, Harsha, you are also taking care of your fat and sugar. Rita, there are no supplements for dull and frizzy hair. All you have to do is eat a very, very healthy diet. And anyone, Sushma, no, if you're 98 kgs, you have health issues, hypertension and can't lose weight, then you are in a wrong space, because 99 kgs ki main thi, I had PCOS, I had insulin resistance, and I was told that I'll never become a mother or I'll never become thin. In my case, both happened. So Sushma, what I want you to do is, I want you to ping me and I will make sure that you lose weight very nicely. Okay? Nuts should be soaked overnight. Dimple, whether you soak nuts overnight or no, they are still a healthy option, but just make sure, as I said, if your child who's 4 years old is eating nuts, you make sure that you're not giving him cheese again, okay? Because nuts may be high amount of fats hai, right? And yes, you were on steroids, I know, but now comes the time when you have to lose the weight, okay? We need burnt mustard oil. Swati, I didn't understand that question. But having said that, I think I will see you all again tomorrow at about 5 p.m. Until then, it's a big bye from me and Balanced Nutrition. Take care, make sure you're following this page and make sure you're sharing this video, because this has a lot of information. Bye, take care.